Now, there have been plenty of AI website builders in the past, but this is one of the most exciting moments in technology, and I love to share it with you. So, I have a couple resources with you today from the Chat GPT sphere on the internet right now. So I want you to join me. Look, this is Open AI. You can come to this website, do a little bit of research, but this is not the resource that I'm going to give you. A lot of you guys want to know how exactly to make money with Chat GPT. It's a lot of use cases so far. If you use your mind and do a little bit of experimenting, you'll be able to figure things out. There's some apps on the App Store. There's some websites that's being built automatically. There's a lot of content around the internet that you think are being made by humans, but is being made by this technology from the Chat GPT's realm. Okay, so first off, I want to introduce you to this form right here. You might not have seen this form before. It's called Learn GPT. You can come here, you can post any questions you might have. This is not mine. They're not endorsing me. They're not my sponsor or anything like that. But I've seen a little bit of good information on this because if you're just over here going through the YouTube videos where a lot of people are just trying to rank from it and everything like that, it's not going to be too valuable for you. One thing I want to say, I haven't done a video like this in a long time, but if you go all the way back to the beginning of the scamdemic 2020, you'll see that I did a video using bots, okay? Using bots to get drop servicing clients, using bots to automate my outreach processes and everything like that. And I still do that. So we were using iMacros at the time and some Python stuff and everything like that. But now this is a game changer, okay? So, and just to let you know, I am not a coder. I hire people for that type of stuff. So if you don't have the experience, that's what I'm talking about. You can come over here and you can check this out. But a lot of the apps and a lot of the software and a lot of the open source material that you're going to be able to have access to now, you won't even have to have experience with it. So the video I'm going to show you guys, he has a whole bunch of use cases in there showing you how you'll be able to make money with it. You understand what I'm talking about? Like, we don't want to just see some cool stuff. How do you build businesses with it? The name of my channel is Anti-Job University. We teach entrepreneurship through ownership so that one day you can be rich enough to ownership instead of being so broke you can only afford a ticket to get ownership. Bars, right? So basically, what I want you to do is to utilize these free AI tools, some of them paid, Chat GPT, and some others and everything to build businesses, own businesses, do the fulfillment for the businesses. If you have to prospect and everything like that, do that. If you need articles written and all of that extra stuff, these type of tools and AI can do that for you. If you need websites built, like I said, they have an AI website builder, and you can just like with one click of a button, you can build a whole website or clone one. Check this out. Okay, so this is the video right here. This is the affiliate marketing MC. He's been on YouTube for a long time. Okay. I have been sent from. I'm pretty sure you've seen this guy before. You know, affiliate marketing. He talks about SEO. He talks about a lot of stuff. But he's been on this game for a few years as well. You know, this video is a good representation of what you can do with these bots. You understand what I'm talking about? How you can make money with them, not just play around with them, how you can create things, create assets that you can sell, create assets that you can license out. You understand what I'm talking about? Create assets that you can get people to pay for white labeling, create assets that you can charge access to using Chat GPT. Okay, so now here's a couple of use cases right here, or applications right here. They got 5 right here. It says top 5 interesting applications on GTP. Maybe this can give you some ideas of what you can create or what you can do to build your own businesses with these. Watch this. Number 1, it says code writer. If you are struggling writing code, for a particular program or problem, then all worries end here. ChatGPT can easily write a code snippet if you describe the problem statement correctly. As an example, you should type in the following requests. Request right here, how to solve the two-sum problems with JavaScript. Now check this out. In this video right here, he talks about content creation. You understand? You can literally speak into it and say, hey, I need you to write me a unique 2,000 word article that has a FAQ section and a freaking pricing table for construction work or something like that. You see what I'm saying? And it literally will write a unique article. You understand? It's super freaking exciting. It's crazy. If you are a content writer, a blogger, or SEO, and you do fulfillment for clients or something, this is a game changer. To be able to say, hey, write 1,500 word article on abdominoplasty and the dangers of it, plus the benefits of it, plus search some images of the examples that you're talking about and put them on the site as well. You can literally speak it into existence with this chat GPT. You can speak the content into existence. So that's why it's extremely powerful, right? Okay, so it says story writing application. If you think only old people specialize in cooking stories, you are wrong. Even GPT can do that. While the bot is yet to make it the best sellers list, it can quickly present you with a sharp bedtime story for kids, simple vocabulary, and easy to follow narratives. So you can literally tell it to create. So this is a game changer. So basically, you can create little children's ebooks if you want to. You can create little children's ebooks if you want to. Put them on Kindle, sell them on Amazon, put a gig on Fiverr. I will write 5 children's ebooks for you in 24 hours. You know how much money you'll make? And people will think you have a team, but you actually just have this chat GPT software, okay? All right, debugging code. Tired of resolving errors in your code? Let Chat GPT help you out. I don't know why I keep wanting to say GTP. Chat GPT help you out. For software developers, it is a boon to have Chat GPT, as it can help you deduce bugs in your code in a single click. Come on, y'all. Game changer, like I said. It will not only highlight the error, but also present you with a detailed solution for fixing. Okay, now check this out. Watch this. Explaining difficult concepts. Chat GPT is often called Google killer. Now that's scary. Anything that can claim to kill Google, you got to watch out for. You know, a lot of stuff that made claims before, but all right. So it says it's often called Google killer as it can serve the perfect tool for understanding complex concepts. For example, you can request the Chat GPT bot to explain the mechanics of Foucault's pendulum. It also has the potential to clear your doubts in any case you have. Wow. So you ain't even got to send your kids to school. You can just tell them chat GPT, explain the, I don't know. I don't know. I was going to name some, what is it called? Some theorem that we learned about in school. I can't even remember it. But anyway, all right, diet planning. Watch this. So nutritionists can use this. Nutritionists can use this, or life coaches, health coaches, and stuff. So it says diet planning. As per Harvard University's T.H. Chan School of Public Health, about 36% of the adults in the U.S. are obese. Such individuals can seek help from ChatGPT in planning their daily diet. You can plan your own meals with this bot by conveying your preferences and dietary requirements. For example, if you are lactose intolerant or something like that, you can say, hey, chat GPT, create a diet plan for somebody that works all day, that only has 4 hours to eat throughout the day, and that is lactose intolerant, can't have dairy, can't have milk, can't have cheese, and can't have certain types of butters, and has a weak bladder or some crap like that. And it will literally create a diet plan, exclude or extract any of the foods that you're allergic to or that might cause some type of reaction to you and everything like that. You can sell these diet plans. That's crazy. All right, so now here you go. It says build your own Chat GPT. Chat GPT is nothing but one of the most intelligent chatbots in the world. And if you are interested in understanding how chatbots are created, try out the chatbot projects below. So, guys, so what y'all think, man? So yes, you can build you can use it as an AI website builder. You can use it as a content creation generator. You can build it. You can use it to answer difficult questions. You can use it to create lessons for your children if you homeschool or some crap like that. You can use it to do fulfillment for your SEO clients. You can use it for so many things, guys. All right. So, I mean, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about the chat GPT movement that's going right now? Do you think it's the Google killer? I don't think it's the Google killer. I think Google is way ahead of this type of stuff, but it's up in there, like it's doing its thing, you know. But I think it is going to catapult a lot of entrepreneurs. It's going to streamline a lot of creation of things. You know what I'm saying? I just did a video earlier about how you can like do video creation. What if you're trying to like build multiple YouTube channels or something like that? You can literally use these type applications to like have that all that stuff done within an hour in the morning time, and you got the rest of your day to do whatever you want to. All right, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and sub and check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Love you guys.